So we're going to open this up. First thing we're going to do is make sure that the power cord is unplugged. That's because we don't want to get shocked when we're doing anything. This is what protects the high voltage side of the thing, so we're going to screw it out and remove it. The wiring for the leads, the NC/NO, standing for normally open, normally closed. So the relays are all tied to normally open because that means when the relay is energized, these plugs get power at the bottom here. So we want our motorized ball valve to go into relay 1, so we're going to have to remove the wiring for the plug for relay 1 and put in our own. So I'm going to unwire the hot wire. I'm going to unwire the neutral. I'm going to unwire the ground. Now, normally I would pull the plug out of relay 1 and slide this one through, but for just the purposes of speed, I'm just going to be going straight over. So, first we have the ground. Bigger screwdriver here. Okay. Then we have the neutral. And so I mentioned we have power open and power closed. So these are the two wires. One of them is going to deliver power when opening, one of them is going to deliver power when closing. Which one is which? You're going to have to consult your manual. For this one in particular, the red wire is what opens the valve, so we're going to be putting it into there. The black wire closes the valve, so we're going to be putting it in here. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so this particular controller also has 2 extra wires. Those can just be capped off. To test this, we're going to go to the main menu, our HOA. This is relay 1, which is where we wired it into. So, take it here, put it into hand. See that the relay now activates. Press off, delivers power to turn it the other way. See that again on the valve side. And off. So now that the relay has been hardwired in correctly, you can configure it with your controller in the relay itself to make it activate and deactivate when you'd like. So, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about anything discussed in this video, please feel free to call us at 416-240-1920 or visit our website at metexcorporation.com. Thanks.